Testing, testing, 1 2 1 2. Hello, audio. Looks like everything's working. Hey everybody, it's Jerry D from Tennessee, here at the Sunset Cafe, Honolulu, Hawaii. Sitting here drinking my Diet Mountain Dew. That's not a paid advertisement, by the way, but that's my drink. That's my go-to drink anyway if I want some caffeine. If it's not coffee, otherwise it's going to be coffee, and usually a lot of times it's going to be black. But anyway, let's talk about this anomaly here Friday at the close. I've talked about this stock, this penny stock, before in the past. It's been a while. It's been a long while. I've been in this for a while, and it's been down. It's up and down. It's kind of trading sideways. It's been spiking left and right. But Friday was crazy. It spiked, come down, and it was just crazy trading. So the stock I'm going to talk about is INCT, Incapta Incorporated. So at the peak, it was like at 19,000% spike. It closed on the day, which you can see right here is lower. Okay, 0002 at 14K, 14,900, just under 15,000% spike. So I was kind of curious if somebody's pumping this on Twitter or something, and now I went out and looked, and there was nothing being pumped that I could see. Let's go to the full screen. So it's weird. It's like right here's the peak of a buy toward the close. Somebody bought, if you look over here on the left side, right here on this side, as I hover the mouse over, 149 million on that purchase right there. Shares. Which is interesting. 149 million, if you can see that. Let's bump it up just a little bit. Up. Will it? No, you may not be able to see it. Oh yeah, that's a lot more. 149 million shares there. 7.82 million. This is 60 million. Somebody, 30 million, 38 million, 39 million. So something, let's go back to 100%. I don't know what's going on. This right here, $428 million got sold right there as it was going down. Somebody was up here in this spike. They bought in, and then they dumped. And the price is going down as they're taking the market price, as they're trying to get out of the stock and try to take profit. And that's what this red is where they're dumping it and dropping the price. But that just shows how volatile some of these penny stocks. In fact, INCT, I saw where it said it was at 19K. I didn't get to capture it, but guess what? Let's slide this over here. Here's somebody else right here. Somebody took a snapshot for me and posted it on Twitter. Ben's Trades. INCT up 19,900%, almost 20,000%. We finally rich. Maybe Ben was the one that sold that 149 million shares. I don't know. Actually, that was a buy, wasn't it, toward the end of the day? But anyway, that's crazy. 19, almost 20k percent gain in a day. So there, people still making money in these penny stocks, but I didn't see anything. I didn't see anything where anybody. I don't think anybody's really pumping this stock. So somebody right here, Karen Vale, was I guess she was just, making a comment. Where is the news that had been promised for 3 years? And I've probably been in this stock for 3 years because it was really getting pumped when I jumped into it, and it never did really go anywhere. But it up and down Friday, spiking like crazy. Stop dragging shareholders along and drop the news of promises fulfilled, or we punked shareholders. Which will it be? Gregory and Ian Martin, provide something. Your shareholders have made you rich. You owe us something. So we got evidence of impatient stockholders. They were hoping on this stock, and nothing has been happening to this stock. It's been down for a good while. And I asked on Twitter, here's my tweet, why is this going up? I've not seen any news. INCT 19k is crazy. So I wish they'd filter some other language on here, but people just get emotional about some of the stocks and stuff. So Kevin Vale, interesting corporate dumping. The charts don't lie. INCT looking like someone wants their $5 billion back without information for shareholders still. So yeah, some reason it's not being pumped on Twitter. I've also checked on Investors Hub, and nobody's pumping it on Investors Hub either. We're going to have news in a few days or anything like that. Nothing like that is going on with this stock. It just for some silent, unknown, secret reason, it spiked, and not really sure why. But I mean, that's what you get into in these OTC markets. Like I said, I've been in this stock for a good while, and I have no idea why it was spiking. There's no pumps. Let's look at latest on Twitter. So just complaints. Nothing more unless INCT decides to release the information. Been waiting for 3 years for really good information. So what are they? So INCT Incorporated, a Wyoming corporation. The company traded under OTC Pink, INCT, formerly known as TBC Global News Network. Incorporated is a media holding company that works with clients to develop, operate, and market online cloud television networks and other entertainment projects. The company participates in various fields of online business models by providing executive-level managerial assistance, as well as arranging for clients' online presence through social media. So there's no news that's been released. Let's go back over here. Is there anything? They had some financials back in May 12th. So nothing in the last few weeks has been released. No news. So there's no real reason for that stock to pump unless somebody knows something. I don't know. Maybe they are trying to get it to show up on the scanner so some people will buy into it. But here's their corporate website. I want to put all the links, as always. I want to put all the links in the description. This is their homepage. This company is a media holding company that provides management consulting services to online radio, cloud television, and grocery and entertainment industry. Our subsidiaries: Banana Box Wholesale Grocery, Cloud Radio are their main two big customers. So they have a page for investors to look at. But this is not, this page has not changed since May 2021, over a year ago. So it's been over a year since they've updated this page for investing. So there you go. It's just an odd 19k, 19,000 spike, almost 20,000% spike in the day, and no reason, no apparent reason as to why. No news, nothing on like any of the stock networks, Investors Hub, Twitter, none of the normal. So just an example, just a quick example of how volatile some stocks could be. Somebody made some money Friday. I mean, that's a pretty good spike. Somebody got in and made some money. If you could have. So it was up and down, and I come real close to jumping in Friday to really do any good, because right here, if you're buying in at the end of the day and you get stuck up here at 14,000%, it's going to have to go on up for you to make any money. So you had to buy in down here to make anything, okay, on the lows. So you could have bought in about noontime. There was just a little lull. It's, it spiked earlier in the day, up and down, up and down, up and down. It was very volatile through the whole day. Person could have jumped in right here around noontime, but there's no, and I'm not saying you should have or anybody should have. You don't know. It could have stayed flat for the rest of the day. You don't know what it's going to do. But anybody that's bought in right here at 12 noon and then it spiked up here 19,000%, almost 20,000%, and you sold up here at the peak or close to the peak right here, you made some money. I'm saying you made some money, but you're going to have to be fast because it moved fast. 12 p.m., 1 to 2, it was up and down before 2. So you would have had to really had your eye on it and been watching it. Got in down here as it was going up, got out real quick before it dropped like a rock. Look at this, how quick it dropped. You had to get out before this hit. And then it went up again, come down again, up again, come down again, and then at the very end of the day, it's back up. And it's held the price. We'll see Monday. I got my side of my nose is itching. I must be going to have a visitor. We'll see what happens Monday, though. It held the price at the end of the day. This is an OTC stock. It's not on NASDAQ, so it does not trade after hours. So 4 p.m. was the end of trading for this stock. It'll pick back up Monday at 9 a.m., and we shall see what will happen. Will it spike again Monday? I don't know. And I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a stock advisor. I am just Jerry D from Tennessee, just talking about this stock. And I just observed this spike. At the end of the day, it dropped. It hit 19,000, almost 20,000 spike. But at the very end of the day, it spiked again, another 14,000, almost 15,000%. Right here's the proof. Again, I'm going to put the link in there. You'll have to watch it before Monday, because Monday morning when trading resumes, this percentage is going to change. But, you've got my video where I looked it up on Yahoo Finance. Right there's the 14,000 right here in front of you. So that's the proof. This is a historical event that happened Friday for this stock. It capped INCT. $INCT if you're searching on Twitter. So thanks for watching my video, and we'll keep our eyes open and see if we can come up with some other stuff here, some stocks, crypto, and hopefully hopefully you've got having a good weekend, and I hope this next week is a profitable week for you. Remember to keep it real. Be realistic with your trades. Don't trade any money or invest any money that you can't afford to lose, because this can be a gamble and is a gamble when you're dealing with stocks, especially OTC stocks. And keep a roof over your head, food on the table, your lights on, and keep those clothes on those children. We don't want those children running around naked. They're going to get cold when it gets wintertime. Now, summer not quite so bad, but you still don't want them running around naked in the summer. You're going to get in trouble for that. Anyway, thanks for watching my video, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video, and you have a great rest of your weekend. Thank you. Bye. Bella's got to be right up under me, don't you, Bella? Oh my word. Cloudy day, looks like it may rain. Clouds out over the valley. East Tennessee Valley. And Bella, she's just happy to be around.